Hello, welcome to elementary geometry. We're going to do 3 examples in this lecture. So take a look at this problem. We have this line of A, M, B, C, D. What is given to us? It says the line AB, which is from here to here. M is the midpoint. And AM is given as a 2x plus 1. And MB is given as a 3x minus 2. What is x and what is the length of AM? So we know that this is a midpoint. If this is a midpoint between A and B, that means AM is equal MB. So we're going to say AM is equal MB. And we're going to come back in here. AM is a 2x plus 1. That is equal 3x minus 2. So it's a simple equation to solve this. I'm going to go ahead and move this one over here and set it to 0. So this is going to remain the same here, 2x plus 1. So when I bring this to this side, it's not going to like it. It's going to be upset, so it's going to change attitude. It's going to become negative. So this 3x move over become minus 3x. And this negative 2, it's going to be negative, so negative times negative become positive. That become plus 2, and nothing left on the other side. It becomes 0. So now we got this simple equation to solve. I got 2x minus 3x. That makes it minus x. I got 1 plus 2. That makes it plus 3 equals 0. And if I move minus x to the other side, it becomes x is equal 3. And that is x. So what is AM? AM, it's going to be from here. So that means AM comes out 2 times 3 plus 1 is equal 7. So the length of this is going to become 7, and that's going to become 7. So AB comes out to 14. In this second problem, we have these two lines intersecting each other and making angle 1, 2, 3, and 4. Angle 1 is given by 2x plus 2y. Angle 4 is given 2x minus y. And angle 2 is given 4x minus 2y. Normally, when we have a situation like this, 1 or 2 should be equal, 3 and 4 should be equal. So let's find out what the angle 1, 2, or 3, and 4 is. One thing we know from previous lesson that, let me just draw this here, down here. If I have a coordinate system like this, we know this is a 90 degree. So I have a whole line right there. That's a supplementary. That means the angle from here to here is 180 degree. So this angle right here is 180 degree. If I have a line like this one, if I have an angle coming through here, so I now have 2 angles right here. Right? Okay, I did a good job. Let me do this again. There we go. So I got 2 angles here. That means this angle plus this angle comes out to 180 degrees, supplementary. So we're going to take advantage of that relationship to solve this equation. All right, let's get to work. So I'm going to say this green line, in a green line right there, let's call this, for example, this is line A and line B. In line A, okay, I got angle 1 plus angle 4. That should come out to 180 degree. Okay, so angle 1 was given to us as 2x plus 2y. 2x plus 2y. So that is equal angle 4. Okay, that should be angle 4, I believe. Let me double check that if I wrote that right. Yeah, 2x minus y. So that is equal, no, that is plus this angle plus 2x minus y. That should give me 180 degree. Great. So now we know that. Let's simplify this equation anyway. That's going to become 2x, and 2x makes it 4x. 2y and minus y makes it negative, no, just y, plus 1y. And that's equal 180 degrees. That's equation number 1. Okay. So we got one equation. The second one, we're going to say angle 1 is congruent with angle 2. So that was rule number 1. So rule number 2, we're going to say angle 1 is equal angle 2. They opposite each other. So angle 1 was, let me come over here. I need some room. Angle 1 was, let's just do it right here anyway. Angle 1 is 2x plus 2y. That's equal angle 1. And angle 1, let me write this here. 1 is equal 2. Can we put it almost here? And 2 came out to be 4x minus 2y. 4x minus 2y. So let's simplify this equation. That means if I go ahead and put this to the other side, so I'm going to have, let me change color here. I'm going to have 2x plus 2y minus, that's going to come over, become a negative, minus 4x. That's going to come over, it's going to become positive, plus 2y. And nothing left over, 0. So if I simplify this, that becomes 2x. No, I lied. That become 2x and minus 4x, so become minus 2x. And then I have 2y. This plus 2y becomes plus 4y. Plus 4y equal 0. So that gave me equation number 2. Came out to be 4x plus y is equal 180. And then I have equation 2 minus 2x plus 4y is equal 0. So I got 2 equations, 2 unknown. It's easy to solve. And how we're going to do that is basically you're going to use process elimination. I'm going to find some way to eliminate one of these. I can multiply this by minus for equation 1 and add it to this. So I'm going to take equation 1, multiply by negative 4, and redo it again. So if I multiply this by negative 4, that becomes minus 16x. That becomes minus 4y, and that becomes minus 720. Then I'm going to re-add this equation back down here. Minus 2x plus 4y is equal to 0. Let's add these two together. I'm going to have minus 2x minus 16, that becomes minus 18x, plus 0, that becomes 0, equal minus 720. So now, therefore, I'm going to have x is equal minus 720 divided by minus 18. Negative cancel each other out, and that number comes out to 40. Okay, so now I know what's x is 40. Let's gonna come back and find y. Let me erase this right here. We can do it. So now we know x is equal 40. We're gonna go ahead and plug back one of these to here to find out what is the y comes out to. So I got minus 2x plus 4y is equal 0. That's that equation. I could use either one. So I'm going to be minus 2 times 40 plus 4y is equal 0. So we know that becomes minus 80. And if I move 4y to the other side, become negative 4y. Now divide both sides by negative 4. So there, and then if you have y is equal minus 80 divided by minus 4, cancel each other out. The negative become positive, so your y is going to become equal 20. Now we got x is equal 40, y is equal 20. Let's find out angle 1. Angle 1 comes out to become 2 times 40 plus 2 times 20. That's 80 and 40, 120 degree. So we know this one comes out to 120. Better this come out to 120 also. Let's check it out. So that's equal 4 times 40, that's 160, minus 2 times 20, that's 40, that's 120. Check. So that's 120 also. And angle 4 and 3, which equal, comes out to, angle 4 become 2 times 40 minus 20, and that comes out to 60 degree. So this comes out to 60. So that's that problem. All right, our third problem, we're going to go ahead and prove, it's given that AB is bigger than CD. But they want you to prove that AC is bigger than BD. Now we're going to go ahead and prove that. We know that AB is bigger than CD. The reason is because it's given to us. So the second is, if I'm going to go ahead, I have AB bigger than CD, so I'm going to say, I can say AB plus BC is bigger than CD right here, plus BC. All I done, I took this and I add to both sides of it BC. What's my reason? Mathematical, addition. 2, it's going to be addition property. Okay, the next thing I'm going to say AB plus BC, that's equal AC. And at the same time, I can say CD plus BC, that is equal BD. And that is a 3, which is basically, again, addition. Now we said AB plus BC is bigger than CD plus BC, and there was addition property. We taken the same thing back in here. We're going to say, okay, AB plus BC, that's the same as the AC. And then we say CD plus BC, that's the same as a BD. Now, I'm going to substitute back in here. Instead of that, I'm going to write AC bigger than, instead of that, I'm going to write BD. And that's what we're looking for, AC bigger than BD. All I did is substitution. So that's how it's done. Hope you like this video. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up. Have a good day.